Hello guys, hello beautiful people, thank you for joining us. So this is sesame seed, the white one. You see, this is sesame seed. So I'm going to show you how to make sesame seed oil. Okay, so this is my sesame seed, the white one. You know, we have the black one. So this is my palm kernel oil, the white one, the clean one. Okay, so how I prepare it is on my YouTube channel. So join us as I'm about to show you how I get my sesame seed oil. So this is my cup blender. So I'm going to blend it. This one. Wow, so this oil is very good. This sesame seed, the benefit of it is very good. You can use this to moisturize your skin. It make your skin to be smooth, relax. It's very good for hair. If you want your hair, if you have dandruff, any kind of hair, if you want your hair to be grow very well, this is the virgin, how to get virgin sesame seed oil. You know, this one is not enter fire. Oh, me okay. If you have rashes, you can be using it to rub that place. Anywhere you have rashes, pimples, it's good for skin care. Mm-hmm. So this is the sesame seed oil. You see, this one, if you have coconut oil, palm kernel oil, any kind of oil that is good for you, you can add it this one inside and be it may the benefit, it still have some the benefit on it. Okay, you will be using it to rub your skin, your hair, anywhere you have rashes, you can use it to rub it. So viewers, this is our sesame seed oil. You can use this to rub your skin like this. This is the virgin one. You can use this to rub your skin, your hair, anywhere you have rashes. Continue to be rubbing it. If you want to learn how to make coconut oil, it's on my YouTube channel. I've already show you how to prepare it. So you can use this to rub your hair, any kind you want, place you want your hair to be grow. The seed is very good. You can even eat it like this. You can put it for snacks. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share with your friend and family. This is nice. Bye. Evelyn. Mwah.